Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Friday, April 6th, which is also my mom's birthday. And I just went to the grocery store because I have a really busy weekend because of my mom's birthday. So by the time you guys see this, I want to get it up probably Saturday. And yeah, this is a haul for our normal stuff, back to normal life, because Monday, the 9th, I think I've mentioned my husband starts his new job. Grady goes back to school after spring break. So we're getting ready to get back into normal life. So this haul was $160. I think I'm gonna start over here. Oh, first off, I went to, I got some New York bagels. These are not from the grocery store. These are from a bagel place that I grew up with. So I stopped there on the way to the grocery store. I got a couple onion bagels, a couple everything bagels, and they're nice and fresh. I actually put them in these bags because they give them to you in paper bags, and the bags were all warm and condensated because they were that fresh. So I got 4 bagels here. They make all kinds of homemade cream cheese, so I don't eat cream cheese, so I just got a small container of homemade scallion cream cheese for Matt, and then 2 plain bagels for my son because that's what he likes. And then Matt and I will eat the everything and sesame. Anyways, so this was an additional like $6, but the actual grocery haul was $160. So I got a couple of these Philadelphia bagel and cream cheese dippers for Matt's lunches. I got a garden vegetable and then a chive and onion. I got some rolled gold cheddar tiny twists. We all really like these. Grady likes these, so I grabbed those. I got some 3 pepper Colby Jack cheese sticks for Matt's lunches. Some Simply potatoes, shredded hash browns. I make these all the time. They're really, really easy and good for just a quick dinner or breakfast. I got some, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, this haul is from Hannaford, which is a Northeast grocery store chain. Their store brand is this brand, The Taste of Inspirations. So I got some spanakopita for hors d'oeuvres because, again, my family's coming over tomorrow on Saturday for my mom's birthday dinner, and I wanted to make some little appetizer things, so I grabbed those. I got some Cabot Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese. This is made sort of local to me in Cabot, Vermont. Vermont's not very far from here, the border at least. I got some of these wonton strips for salad. Thought it would be a good little topper for salads. Some heavy cream for the Toscana soup I'm making tomorrow for my mom's birthday. Jar of pickles because I wanted to have them like in my pantry cabinet because we do go through a lot of pickles. My son really liked these. I got them a week or 2 ago. They are the Fruit Shoot, no sugar added, raspberry and apple. It's like a naturally flavored water beverage. So he really liked them, so I got them again. I also got another flavor, which I'll get to. I got 2 things of Jimmy Dean sausage for this Zuppa Toscana soup that I'm going to make. It's an Olive Garden copycat recipe. I'll link both versions down below. I have a crock pot version and a stovetop version. So I got these to make that because I'm going to make an extra large batch since my family is coming. I got these for my cat. They're just like these salmon sticks. Gatorade Flow came out with a new flavor, or at least new to me. It's the Tidal Punch, like a tropical punch. If you'd like Gatorade and you've never tried their Flow version, try it. It's much smoother. It's really, really good. It still is that Gatorade, flavor, but it's just much smoother. So I'm excited for to try these and also pack them in Matt's lunches. I got a nice fresh shrimp cocktail. They were just putting them out in the seafood department. Again, for when my family comes over tomorrow to set out. Along with the spanakopita and a few other things. Very excited about this. It is chicken and bacon tortellini, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love anything bacon. So I think I'll throw these in the freezer and make them not this coming week, but next week with some pesto sauce. So that looks really good. I got a few chicken broths, again, for the Toscana soup. So I grabbed one of the big boy 48 ounce, which I'll need this and some for the soup tomorrow. I got a couple things of seltzer. I don't drink seltzer, but my mom does. So I got her toasted coconut and Georgia peach. One I'll have for her tomorrow when she comes, and the other one I'll just put in the fridge in the basement for next time she comes, because she's here like once or twice a week. I got a couple things of granola bars, the 25% less sugar chocolate chip, which Grady likes. And then my husband really liked the peanut butter marshmallow ones, which I bought a week or two ago. He said they were really good, so I got these. They were on sale, I think, 2 for $3. I got some veggie blend rice cracker things for myself. I like a lot of the different crackers from this Good Thins line, so I decided to try those. Here's the other flavor of the Fruit Shoot water. This is strawberry and raspberry. I got a huge thing of International Delight hazelnut creamer for Matt. I got some of the Cabot brand salted butter. I do like the BJ's butter, and I plan to buy it, but I just haven't made it to BJ's yet. So that'll have to hold me over. I got a large dozen of brown eggs. I got some of this balsamic vinaigrette Simply Dressed by Marzetti salad dressing, because that's what my mom likes, for tomorrow. These are the softest rolls. I can't even, like, I can't explain. I could just eat this whole bag, but I won't. But I think I'm gonna make roasted chicken tonight. So I just wanted like a little quick roll, and they are so soft and pillowy. I just want to like sleep on them. They look so good, and they smelled amazing. They were condensated, fresh out of, I love going to the grocery store in the morning, guys, because all the bakery stuff is so fresh and just smells so good. So I'll probably have these tonight with the roast chicken. Moving on, I got some Cape Cod 40% reduced chips. Our usual Scoops chips. I haven't had these in years, and I don't know why they were just speaking to me today. They are the butter twists, and they are, this particular brand, they are so good. They're made with real butter. They're really crisp, like really crunchy and crispy. I don't know. Haven't had them in a long time. They were calling me today, so I got them, and they were on sale for like $1.99, I think. Got some Stacy's bagel chips and toasted garlic. Some of these Ritz crisp and thin bacon flavored chips. These are so good. I've mentioned these a ton of times in the past. So many of you guys have Snapchatted me and said you've tried them and loved them. They are so good, and much less fat than chips, guys. Some Cheez-It toasty, extra toasty Cheez-Its, some chocolate chip little bites, these beautiful onion rolls, which again, also fresh, coming right out of the bakery. The bags were all warm and condensated, so I got these. I thought they'd be good for Matt's sandwiches this week for work, and obviously for me when I'm home. Some organic raspberries, because I've mentioned before my son goes through like 2 of these a week. Got some organic kale. I'll use this whole bag tomorrow to make a huge pot of that soup. I got some alfalfa sprouts, which you know what that means if you've watched my channel for a while. It is going to be back on Monday to starting What's in My Husband's Lunch. And these are readily available here at a lot of different stores, unlike where I used to live in South Carolina. I use these all the time on my husband's like sandwiches and wraps, and also I'm going to put some on the tossed salad tomorrow when my family comes. They're really good, very healthy, and just a really easy ingredient and something different. Bag of red potatoes. We go through a lot of potatoes in general, and also I'm going to use some in the soup tomorrow. I got a bunch of these delectable things. They did not have the 12-pack that I prefer to buy. I've only seen the 12-pack so far at Walmart. I just haven't made it out there today. So I just got a few to hold me over for, I don't know, 6 days or however many I got. They have this senior one I never noticed before, but Alice is 12 or 13, I can't remember. I think she's 13. But anyways, I got some of those, 2 more chicken broths. I'll probably use this and the big boy one for the soup tomorrow, and then I'll have one backup, which is great. Some Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade in the light. Love this stuff. Some tomatoes on the vine for the salad tomorrow, red pepper for the salad tomorrow, a bunch of bananas. Grady already ate one the minute I walked in the door, and that is it. So I got quite a good amount of stuff, $160, and I'm going to share with you guys now my meal plan for the week. Alright, so dinner for the upcoming week, starting tomorrow, which is the 8th. My in-laws are actually coming over for dinner, and they're going to bring something. I don't know if they're going to pick something up, or like my mother-in-law is going to cook stuff and bring it over. All I know is we are having dinner with them here at our house. Another night I'm going to do sausage and pesto pasta with some kind of veggie and a salad. I think I have a video on this. I'll link it below if I do. I'm going to do those baked breaded clams. I think I bought those a week or 2 ago. I popped them in my freezer, but I'm going to bake off some of those. I'll make some pierogies and then a salad. I'm going to do some Mississippi chicken in the crock pot one day with mashed potatoes and veggies. A different night I'm going to do either stuffed zucchini boats. I have a video on this I'll link below. I also have a video on this, so I'll just link everything below that I have videos on. Or zucchini roll-ups, which are similar. You just cut the zucchini in like really thin strips and then roll up sausage and cheese and top them with marinara sauce. So it's kind of a similar concept. And then one night I'm going to do my mom's sauce. I have a little note to film it because I've wanted to film it actually for a while, but just life got crazy when we were packing up our other house to move. So I'm going to make a batch of my mom's sauce. I'm probably going to do a double batch and then freeze half. And then I'm going to make some turkey meatballs, a double batch, and freeze half of those. And then I'll pick up some fresh bread from the bakery and then a salad. And then of course I have my night for breakfast and leftovers. I wanted to keep it simple this week like I normally do, but especially since this is the first week getting back into the normal routine where Grady's at school and Matt's at work. So anyways, this is the meal plan for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.